Welcome students to the online class Standard 9th Subject Computer. Lesson number 1, World Wide Web. So student, today we are going to learn the concepts of World Wide Web. As we know that World Wide Web is an advanced information retrieval system on the internet platform. It is also known as www, W3 or web. In short, means these are the short forms, or we can say these are the short names for World Wide Web. Okay, so student, World Wide Web was invented and mentioned on internet in the year 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, he was the one who had invented World Wide Web in the year 1991 in Switzerland. Okay, so student, World Wide Web is the way of sharing data or retrieval of data from any of the platform from any part of the world. Student, it is also the way of sharing resources, data or any sort of information with many people at same time, even if some of these resources are located at opposite end of the world, then also it is possible for us that we can share the data, we can retrieve the data, or we can collect the data from any part of the world at any time. There is no restriction for this collection of the data or information. So student, it is the most exciting and useful aspect of internet. Okay, it helps in any of the way we want. The web provides the technology for publishing, sending and obtaining information over the internet at any point of the world. Student, in the next slide we are going to see the main uses of World Wide Web. Okay, for what are the purpose World Wide Web is used for? As you know, as I have given you the explanation in introduction, that World Wide Web is used for retrieval or sharing of data, but not only for this much, it has been used for as many things. Okay, so let's start with the first main uses of World Wide Web is sending emails. Okay, so student, it is an type of letter which has been sent by using internet through various modes, like we can send the emails through Gmail or we can send it by Yahoo. So there are various options for sending emails which has been possible by World Wide Web. So student, you can send the emails to at any part of the world. Okay, just sitting at home using internet, using the platform of World Wide Web, you can send the emails to anyone you want. Okay, so let's see the second main uses, which is sharing program or sharing information. You can share any kind of program. Nowadays you are aware of many kind of codings and all. Okay, so you can share any sort of program, codes, language by the use of World Wide Web. In the third uses, they have said that using or collecting information. As you know that you can collect any sort of information or any kind of information by using this platform. Okay, if suppose we have given you some task or we have given you some activity and asked you to do that activity, so how you collect the information? With the help of this World Wide Web. Okay, so World Wide Web is not used for only this purpose but also for entertainment. Like student, internet is been used for using YouTube's, okay, Instagram, WhatsApp. So what do we see in all this platform? We use it for entertainment. Like by using YouTube, there are various video for which we can see it. Okay, we can view it. So not only for just retrieval of data or sharing of data, World Wide Web is also used for an entertainment purpose. Okay, so student, by the help of World Wide Web or with the help of internet, now it is possible for us, for any of the people to meet online. Okay, as you know, in the current situation of pandemic, what we are doing, we are meeting online, sitting at our home and taking our studies by doing it online. Okay, not only that, we can video call to anyone. people sitting at one country can call the people sitting in the other country. So how all these things are possible, how this video conferencing are possible? Because of the internet or world wide web platform. Student, we can do online shopping also with the help of internet. As you can know that there are multiple of option, there are multiple of choice. As for example, there is Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, Firstcry. So these are the platform from which we can do online shopping. Just we have to place the order sitting at home and the order will be delivered at your place. So how just all these things are possible? Because of this platform. Okay, so your world wide web is just not used for all this purpose, but it is also been used for education and self improvement. Okay, so there are lots of videos uploaded for the studies purpose, for which you can view it and you can correct yourself. You don't need anyone's help, you can learn by yourself using internet. Okay, and also it has been used for financial transaction. Just sitting at your home, you can transact the money from your bank, or you can pay the money to anyone using this platform. You don't need to go anywhere to transfer money. Okay, just using the particular software or mode, you can transfer the money to anyone. Okay, like for an example, you can transfer the money from Google Pay, Phone Pay, Bheem app. Okay, so these are the examples by which you can transfer the money. Even though you can do your bank transaction just sitting at your home using internet. Okay, so these are the facility, these are the uses world wide web providers, which make our life more easy. Okay, so student, world wide web is also a time saver. Because of world wide web or because of the internet platform, we can save our time. Okay, by using it. Thank you.